Good morning to one and all present here. I am Mani Megle, Assistant Professor of Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to say about virtualization technology fundamentals following the topic is importance of virtualization technology. Let me go to the video. So, what is virtualization? Virtualization is nothing but it's a creation of a virtual version of something, such as a hardware platform, storage devices, or network resources. It enables multiple operating systems and applications to run on a single physical machines, improving efficiently and flexibly. Okay, there is a types of virtualization, that is hardware virtualization, operating system virtualization, and software virtualization, server virtualization, storage network. Okay, storage network and things. And then each type supports specific use cases in IT infrastructures. Next, what is the benefit of virtualization means? Improves of resource virtualization, reduce the hardware utilizations, reduce the hardware cost, enhance disaster recovery, simplifies data center management, greater operational flexibility. So let me see in the slide, virtualization technology is to create virtual representations of servers and storage networks. Again, I repeat, the virtual software mimics to run multiple virtual machines simultaneously on a single physical machine. Next, this is an overview of virtualizations. So, virtualization missing, okay, is a virtualization technology creates an environment for physical resources like servers and storages. It opens a pathway to scalable solutions and innovations. So, the virtual example for virtualization softwares are VMware and vSphere, Microsoft Hyper-V, Oracle virtual boxes, and criticize Zen server. So for kernel based virtual machines are the best examples for virtualization softwares. Before enter into the virtualization software, we should know about the definitions and importance of the virtualizations. It's nothing but it's minimizing the expenses and management complexities of the resources and operations efficiently, okay, in innovative and manner. We comes to know the types of virtualizations. We already know that hardware virtualization, operating system, server, storage, and network. These are the types of virtualization. The first we are seeing about a desktop virtualization. All should know about the desktop virtualization, like we can take it a remote accessible. So we can take our desktop into a remote accessible environment, like a help desk is a best example for a desktop virtualization. And then server virtualization, a server virtualization is nothing but it's a multiple virtual servers are connected into the one of the physical server, and we can lead it better resource usages, and it may lead to reduce the cost and simplify server management. The next one is benefits of virtualizations. What is the benefits of virtualizations? Improves the resource utilizations and reduce the hardware costs, and enhance the disaster recovery, simplify data center management, greater operational flexibility. These are the benefits of virtualizations. It's reduce the cost management. It's also cost saving and scalability. This technique offers us swiftly expands the resources, enabling business to adapt changing workload efficiently. And then resource optimization is nothing but resource utilizations. So improving the resource utilizations overall efficiency by distributing resources intelligently. The next one we are going to see about a virtualization architectures. So the first virtualization architecture is hypervisor. So what is a hypervisor? There is a two types in a hypervisor. It's only for manage virtual machines and allocate as a resources to other physical system. So the type 1 hypervisor is a bare metal, that is run directly on a hardware. Example VMware and Hyper-V. These are all the types of type 1 for bare metals. So type 1 is a bare metal, type 2 is a hosted, that means run on a host OS. Example VirtualBox, VMware workstations, like that. So the hypervisor is two types, that one is type 1 and type 2. First one the bare metal, and then next one is a hosted. So this is the hypervisor. Next one is virtual machines, that is isolated operating environments on the host. Next, storage, virtual storage solutions of the data managements. The next one is challenges of virtualizations. What are the challenges we are facing in a virtualization technology? Means it's a security risk, management complexities, and then licensing and compliance issues, is performance overhead, and complexity in management. So these are all the challenges. The main challenges of virtualization is security risks and a VM sprawl, licensing and compliance issues, and performance overhead and complexity in management. These are all the challenges of virtualizations. Next one is future trend. There is an applications of virtualization like a server consolidation, testing and development environment, and then business continuity and disaster recovery, cloud computing and virtual desktops. So these are all the applications of virtualizations. So the next to the future trend is advancement in technology is rapidly evolving tech landscape. Cloud computing, edge visualization stand out of a pivotal components. So the cloud computing and adapting to the new technologies of a virtual is an by future trend of our virtualization technology in an innovative IT environment. Thank you.